Recovering deleted messages on Amazon Prime Video can be challenging, but there are steps you can take to try and retrieve them. Follow this guide to explore your options. Step 1. Check the archive. Look for an archive section within your Amazon Prime Video account. Sometimes, deleted messages may be stored here temporarily before permanent deletion. Step 2. Review your email. Check your email associated with your Amazon account. Amazon may have sent notifications or copies of messages that you can refer to. Step 3. Contact customer support. Reach out to Amazon's customer support for assistance. They may have tools or methods to help recover deleted messages that are not accessible through your account. Step 4. Check other devices. If you use multiple devices to access Amazon Prime Video, check each one. Sometimes, messages may still be visible on a device where they haven't been deleted. Step 5. Regular backups. For future reference, consider regularly backing up important messages or information from your Amazon Prime Video account to prevent loss. In conclusion, while recovering deleted messages may not always be possible, these steps can help you explore your options. Always remember to back up important information to avoid similar issues in the future.